Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can connect your AirBuds to laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your Bluetooth is on your laptop, for which you can simply go on these icons that you can see right here from your touchpad. Here you can click on this icon. And here you can see currently my Bluetooth is turned on. If it is turned off, you can simply just click on this icon like this and turn it on just like this. Here you can see now my Bluetooth is turned on. So after making sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your laptop, the next thing that you're going to do is simply just open your AirBuds and put your AirBuds on your ear. So after doing that, now you're going to go to the settings of your Bluetooth on your laptop, for which you can click on this arrow that you can see right here. So with your touchpad, you can click on this arrow, and in here you can now scroll down, and here you can see new devices. Under the new devices, here you're going to find your AirBud name. Here you can see this is the name of my AirBud, so I'm going to click on this. After clicking on it, your AirBud will make a sound, and you can now scroll up, and here you can see we are now connected to it. Here you can see there is shown connected, and here is the battery percentage of your AirBud, and just like this, now you can enjoy your music and use your AirBud with your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.